Klabuhan. When you have it, you know you're klabuhan. When you have it, you know. When you have it, you know you're klabuhan. When you have it, you know you're klabuhan. When you have it, you know you're klabuhan. When you have it, you know. When you have it, you know you're klabuhan. Na 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 na. When you na 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 na. Ooh. Ooh. Na 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 na. When you happy and you know you're clever. When you happy and you know you're clever. Na 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 na. Oh, shocking eye. When you have it, you know you're clever. When you have it, you know you're clever. You know. And you have it, you know. Na 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 na. Dan dan ako'y upaw, may sariling upaw, upaw na wala buhok, ang atang ay sinaw. Ananananananananana.
Task Force Fire bilang additional member ng PBI. Hindi ka na ba nakaharap ng simpa?
Nanana.
Meron akong kapatid. Hindi ko na isusunod kung sino yung kapatid ko. Kasi yung parang... And, siyang ginagawang ano. Task Force Firewall.
I love you, baby sayo. I love you, baby sayo. Oh.
Para na. Suka na ron eh. Suka na ron. I use therapy as a way to improve my life and to build self-confidence.
3 days ago lang nag-celebrate si Glenn ng kanyang birthday with family and close friends. June 31 na. Ano nga ba? Ay, bukas niyan.
Ay, tama na. Hilom na to.
Kasi syempre gusto ko maging financially stable.
Ika,
I want to prepare myself for that point in my life.